Hi everyone, Caroline here. Do you usually get the urge to help someone? When you know as a conscious being that you should allow someone to do their work, but then on another level, you keep forgetting this thing and you're always trying to help someone get over something, trying to help someone overcome something. You know what I mean? Like that old consciousness energy that was there where everyone was like trying to do whatever they could to project energy on other people without that understanding that really people are powerful beings. And in the beginning, when you all get into this path, we're kind of like, oh my God, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that. But then as we get into more awareness and as our consciousness increases, we begin to understand that we are all powerful beings and nobody really is a victim. People have chosen their paths. People have chosen to have various experiences. However painful those things may seem, people have chosen their paths. But sometimes we get that urge to help someone, even when we know better. Let me just tell you something. It's just interesting how it just happened the other day, and it reminded me of how, in so many ways, if you don't actively become aware of what's happening, you can really totally go off the path. And it also showed me how much I have grown and even how much more sensitive I now am to my own spirit. So there's this person, a close relative of mine, has not been feeling well for a long time and has been talking to me about it. And I had recommended a particular essential oil to sort of help this person, along with the process. And the person had sort of agreed to it and was excited about it, but was not willing to take the steps to do their due diligence to try to get that essential oil for themselves. That's kind of sort of waiting for me or expecting me to do everything, including obtaining that essential oil and delivering it to them. So after a while, I was just like, Caroline, wait a minute. Does this person really want your help? Does this person really want your support? You already know that everyone has a responsibility towards their life path. You're trying to save this person. You're going back to that same thing that you already have been guided by spirit to leave alone, and you're trying to save this person. I had to stop and think about it. And I'm so proud of myself that I caught myself and stopped that urge to really not always interfere in people's processes. Sometimes we really try to put in the effort and try to, do this and do that. This can help you. This is a shortcut, because our path have provided us with that wisdom and our path has shown us that it works and we are the living truth of how our paths are. So we try to help other people. We try to support them. We try to throw things in there. But, it just doesn't make sense in everyone's situation. And it's always such a sweet feeling when you catch yourself in the act and redirect yourself. Because I know that there are certain people who certain things will not work for because they have chosen a specific path for their health. Some people have chosen the allopathic way. Some people have chosen, prayer through religious means or whatnot. Some people have chosen natural medicine or whatnot. And sometimes if you introduce something that is not in someone's life path, they will reject it. It might be appealing, but they'll reject it. So catching yourself in that moment when you feel like you are the one who should be providing information is a victory. So what do you guys think? Have you caught yourself in this thing? And do you usually have that urge to kind of assist? Remember that people are fully in control of their divine path. And at the moment when something is going to change, they will change, not 1 minute sooner. So in the meantime, enjoy your life, work to embody your light and to walk your truth and to fill yourself with utmost joy, and the energy will just flow outward naturally. Anyway, let me know what you think, and until next time, mwah, love you.